Hi, welcome to E7 Kitchen. And today, we just come back from grocery shopping. So we're going to separate our food and store it. I'm going to put today's date on here. Put legs and put 4 so I can know how many in the bags. Try to keep your bags as dry as possible. That way they won't freeze together. And they go in the opposite direction so they can fit nice and neat. Just like that. I do my veggies the same way. I buy a big thing of veggies from Sam's Club. And I put it in little Ziploc bags. Okay guys, I can't express this enough. I'm done with the chicken. So try to keep all your meats together. Try to use a separate cutting board when you change your meats, because you don't want to contaminate anything and get sick. So now that I'm on beef, I'm using a separate cutting board. If you can't use a separate cutting board, clean your cutting board very good and dry it very good before you change meats. Okay? I can't express that enough. I don't want anyone to get sick. Okay? So, now that we finished with the chicken, we on the roast beef. And this was just one big roast beef. But this is too much roast beef for only 2 people in my family. So what I do is I cut this in half, and this would be 2 meals. One might be beef stew. One might be beef and rice. This is my chicken before I throw it in the freezer. And then I made a mixed bag because I had a couple of wings left over and a couple of legs left over. This is my beef. I can make beef stew. I can make roast beef. I can make a couple of things with this. I cut 1 piece of steak up for some pepper steak and rice. And 1 steak I just cut in half. So that's 17 days worth of meat. And these are the big bag of veggies that I just put in little Ziploc bags. That way, this saves time, money, space, and everything. As soon as you come home from the grocery store, you clean your meat, you sort it out according to your family size. It saves you space in the freezer. And it saves you money from not having to allow leftovers and throwing stuff away. And then you know how many days worth of meals you have also. Right here I have about 2 weeks and a couple of days, and that's not including what I already have in my refrigerator and freezer. So thank you for watching. Make sure you share, like, and comment down below. And I'll see you next time on E7 Kitchen. Bye.